If your feet looks like this, and especially the heels, this video is for you. All like this, so dry and cracked. This video is for you. These are my feet currently. Right now, this is after the video that I've done on how to soften the feet. So welcome back, because this video is for you. We need to learn some few tricks and remedies on how to make our feet soft and pretty. So welcome back to my YouTube channel, and make sure that you subscribe if you have not subscribed. If you have, thank you so much for subscribing. Now we are going to start with soaking of the feet. Why do we always soak the feet? Like, it's like each and every day we soak in our feet. It's to soften the dead skin and to make the removal of the dead skin very easy. Remember, it is the dead skin that is making the heels to crack and to be rough, like because of that dead skin. And if it accumulate, then the heels start cracking. Then after that, I'm using my gloves and a piece of bar soap. Then sorry, I'm cleaning my feet, because this video that I'm doing, it is for softening the feet. And therefore, I have, first of all, before using the ingredient for softening of the feet, I have first of all to start by cleaning the feet to ensure that they are clean, so that after softening the feet, I'm ready and I'm planning to sleep with it like that. So removing the dirt. So I'm just starting by cleaning to remove the dirt and anything, so that I can be able to work on those feet. So guys, I'm so happy for people who have subscribed to my YouTube channel, those who always come back and watch my videos. I really appreciate, and I'm happy for that. So cream. So you can use your gloves to just even exfoliate the upper part, but for me, I have to remove those dead skin. So I'm using my foot file to remove the dead skin. Today we don't have a lot of dead skin because we have been taking care of the feet, and it has not been overdue, like yeah. So guys, please learn how to take care of your feet, because so many people are struggling with cracked heels. And guys, we are in Christmas mood, and we don't want to we are not going to involve you, of course, if your heels are cracked or if your feet are not looking good. So the nails need to be looking good, and this is one of the ways to ensure that they are looking good. So remove that dead skin. This file is so good and magical in removing the dead skin, but you have to use the other part, which is smoother, to smoothen your feet, because if you leave like that, it might feel love, or it might look some weird way. It's like something that has been some what do I mean? It's like a sandpaper has gone over your skin. That is what I mean. Then I'm using my old toothbrush to clean the nails, to remove the dirt in between the nails, because the nails are part of the feet, and they also need to look super good and pretty. So we clean that area, even allowed the nails, to just ensure that we are getting rid of the dirt. So if you have come this far and you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to the channel. Then I'm using my DIY homemade body scrub to scrub the feet, and of course I've worn the gloves again, because they are also going to help in the scrubbing of the feet and even the upper part of the feet, and allowed the nail areas, because why not? Yeah. So guys, I was saying thank you to those who have subscribed to my YouTube channel. Okay. Yeah, now let's remove the dead skin. So the main reason for doing this is to remove dead skin. And also, if you remove the dead skin on your feet and leg in general, the upper part, it helps in brightening of that leg, because it doesn't have like old skin or old dead skin. You get what I mean? Yeah, and it looks so super soft. It also helps in softening of the feet, so it's a hack. Then after that, I'm rinsing with clean water, and the most awaited part, this is the part, actually this is the video that I wanted to do today, like how to soften your feet like at home if you're struggling with dry feet. So after this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a home ingredient, that is honey. Honey is very good in softening of the skin. So that is what I'm going to apply on my feet, and then after that, after just applying or smearing on my heels, the upper part, I'm going to wrap it like that. And after wrapping, I'm doing this in to both feet. Yeah, so this is the most exciting part about this video. Like, I really love this, and it feels so good. By the honey feels so good on the feet. If you want to relax, please just take your feet, wash them, remove the dirt, then apply honey, and you're going to say thank you to me later on. Please let me know in the comment section if you're going to try out this, or if you have ever done this and if you really loved it, because for me at this point I feel so good. Like, the feet just feel so good, so soft, like it's giving spa vibes by the way. Okay, yeah, so then after that I'm going to lap it. So I'm doing this to both feet because why not? So this is just but one of the homemade ingredient that you can be able to use to soften your feet. There are so many other ingredients, but this is just one of it. Then after wrapping, we are going to give it time, like some few minutes, just to for it to do its thing, or just to soak in, or to give it time to work on the feet, or to soften the feet, if you may like. Yeah, so I'm going to give it like 10 to 15 minutes, or even more, because why not? I think yeah, so as I was doing this, I just decided, why can't I lap them with a hot towel? Okay, the towel wasn't that hot, but I didn't have much in towel, so I decided to use the towels that I had. Yeah, so this experience was magical. I think I really loved it. If I compare these with jelly socks, they are almost the same. They are feeling good and relaxing, the same. They are just good. Then after some few minutes, I decided to remove, and I was sure that my feet had enjoyed, so I just decided to remove them. And I wish I could overstay these. I just wish. Yeah, guys, the removal, and I couldn't wait to just touch my feet, because at this point they are feeling so good. Like, they were just there inside enjoying and having a good moment. Like, yeah, but I had to remove them. I was contemplating on whether I can sleep with them on, but I just decided to remove them, then apply some lanolin, then wear socks. That is what I'm doing. So as I removed, I was massaging, and everything was feeling so good, and I really loved that. Yeah, so I decided to massage. I don't know how to do a foot massage, by the way. So I was trying. And if you can look very clearly, and you can see how the feet they have a glow. Like, they're just shining. They look happy. They don't look dull. Like, I think this is one of the videos that is very worth doing. I think so. Very worth doing. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Just look at that. What else do you want me to say? Actually, I have nothing to say, by the way. I have nothing to say. Just look it for yourself. How are the feet? They just look so good. Soft, clean, pretty. Yeah, so then I decided to apply lanolin, and guys, I didn't wipe off the honey. So as I was applying the lanolin, it became so hard to remove the white cast, or just rubbing it and just ensuring that I get rid of everything. But it is what it is. I just decided that I was going to wear the socks like that and just rub the upper part. But I just loved the outcome. So I decided to wash off tomorrow. Yeah, because I'm going to sleep. So I decided to wash it off tomorrow. So after this, applying. I've said I'm applying lanolin. Then after that, I'm going to wear my socks, and I'll be ready to sleep. Yeah, and I will wash it off everything else at night. I'm just giving my feet some few more hours for them to enjoy the honey. Yeah, and I hope that it's going to work overnight. Okay, yeah. So thank you so much, guys, for being here. If you have watched this video up to this point, thank you so much. I really appreciate, and I really love you. I wish I could hug you. I just wish. Okay, yeah, so stay tuned for more videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. Yeah, stay tuned at 6 p.m. At 6 p.m. So stay tuned. I love you guys. Make sure that you subscribe. That is baby oil that I'm adding to, yeah, that is adding, yeah, just that. So bye bye, see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to share, and thank you so much for those of you who are already commenting in my videos, who are already sharing my videos, who have already subscribed to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Let me go and sleep.